Hey everyone, we're Ben and Jelaine, and we recently purchased a Promaster and are currently converting it into our tiny home on wheels. Thank you for joining us on our very first episode of our van build series.
After cleaning up a bit, we realized that there were some scratches down to the bare metal, especially where we cut the ribs out and some even on the floors. We decided to go to Lowe's and get some primer and paint over those just to prevent rust in the future. After about 100 trips in and out of the van, we realized that this needed to be our first step. So we're finally ready to start installing our sound dampening. All you have to really do is just peel the little adhesive strip off of the back, which is like so, which is proving to be more challenging than I thought already. And we're just going to be applying it to the ceiling for now so we can go ahead and put our light back in. Just kind of peel and stick, and then roll it in. I'm sure you're probably wondering why we didn't put the sound dampener everywhere, and the reasons for that are you don't really actually need it everywhere, but on the floor, we're going to be gluing the subfloor to the high spots, and also this is all that Dodge provided from the factory, so what we've done is definitely better than that. If you're wondering why we put sound deadening material in here, this is exactly why. Listen to this. Like a tin can. That's it, folks. Thanks so much for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. At the end of every video, we're going to do a section about what we learned, which mistakes we made, and how much everything cost. The first mistake we made was we bought too much of the sound dampening by one full box. So that would have reduced our price, not significantly, but a bit. The next mistake we made was once you peel the paper strip off of the back and you're like cutting it and all of that, the black part seems to get exposed, the adhesive part, and if you lean into that at all with your clothing, then it sticks to your clothes and it is a real booger to get out. I got it on one of my favorite jackets, and I think we washed it like 3 or 4 times before drying it and scrubbed the heck out of it. So that was a really big pain. And then In our upcoming windows video, you will see how many metal shavings come out when you do the windows. So we wish that we would have cut the windows in first, because the metal shavings end up sticking in the adhesive part, and you don't want any type of like metal shavings anywhere because it can cause rust. So they're a real pain to get out of the sticky adhesive. And one of the tips is buy one of these rollers. This is a 2-inch. It fits great between all of the ridges and valleys. It was such a game changer putting it in. So I would definitely buy one of these, and the price that we're doing will include the tool and also the sound dampener. We decided to go with Kilmat. There's quite a few brands out there. Noico is another brand, but Kilmat was the most cost effective, and based off the reviews that we saw, it was as effective for dampening the sound. So we came in at a grand total of
$326.56.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. Drop us a comment if you have any questions, and please consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one.